Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the sports exhaust system with the remote control valve from Soul Performance. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the sports exhaust system with the remote control valve from Soul Performance products. Soul Performance is a company out of Pennsylvania. They're relatively new, but they've got a lot of great stuff. They do aftermarket components for Ferrari and Audis and Porsche, Range Rover, Lamborghinis, and a couple of others. You should really check them out. So let's get the exhaust system unboxed. In this video, we're going to be checking it out. In the next video, we're going to be installing it on my friend Mario's 997 and doing a comparison between my stock exhaust system and the Soul Performance exhaust. Really excited to make it. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like, but let's go see what it looks like. Here it is. All right, so let's check out the exhaust system. Soul Performance parts have a couple of different options for tips, and I'll be honest, as awesome as this is going to sound, I am most excited about these tips right now. Check them out. Carbon fiber finish with the Soul branding on the top. Top, bottom. Yeah, top. They're going to look so cool coming out of the back of the 997. I'm really excited about these. When I do the exhaust on my car, it's going to have carbon fiber tips, I think. Go really well with the black. What do you reckon? Yeah, I reckon. So what do we got here? In the pack, we've got an installation guide. I've got some video to include in the next video provided by Soul Performance. They've shared some video footage of these actually being made, which is going to be super cool. We've got the two mufflers. We've got the bolts, washers, lock nuts, vacuum line shielding, and the valve controller kit. So let's go to the next little gizmo. Two valve controllers, key fobs, just basically handling your keys. When the car starts up, the valves are closed. So you just get a really nice kind of grumbling, kind of throaty exhaust sound like you'd expect from a sports exhaust system. But once you get away from the neighbors and you get out on the road, you click on the button, it opens up the valves, and boom, you've then got the you then got the full sound of the exhaust system being unleashed. So we got the tips, we got the installation guide. Man, I just can't stop looking at them. Really cool. And then the control kit. So you got your two little doobries, whatever we're going to call them. Remote control, and then of course all of the wiring, everything you need to get it all set up. Okay, so there you have it, guys, the sports exhaust system from Soul Performance Parts. Can't wait to get this installed in my friend's car. So if you saw one of my recent videos, it was the season closer where we all went on a ride, the Porsche and Pancakes get together. Mario's was the Silver 997. It already has an aftermarket exhaust system on there, which sounds pretty rad, but he wants to take it to the next level, and I think this is gonna get him there, and maybe beyond. So in the next video, you're gonna see some of the video footage of this set of parts actually being manufactured. We're gonna have some video footage from our friend AJ, who has a shop here in the Southwest metro area. He's gonna do the installation for us. And then we're gonna do the comparison. So my Carrera behind us here, completely stock exhaust. Mario's Soul Performance Pod exhaust. We're gonna do side by side, we'll do startup, we'll do revving, we'll do drive-bys, and then we'll actually be cruising together. Assuming the snow hasn't like fully arrived. In fact, just hang on there. Whoa, blinded by the lights. Here, look at this. Also amateur. We have a, you know, studio lighting system here in the garage. Let's check out the weather today. Yeah. As you can see, early November, snow has arrived. Yeah, snow has arrived and the geese are flocking here today in the Twin Cities. Well, all right, so here's the deal. If, assuming that the snow doesn't, you know, completely block us in for the next 6 months, we'll be doing all of those drive-bys and getting out on the road and seeing what these exhausts sound like. If the snow does block us in, then we're gonna have to get creative. So we'll probably just do something in the garage. I wonder if we could, like, I don't know, get up to maybe 10 miles an hour without leaving the garage. No, I don't think so. We'll figure something out. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed seeing the product come out of the box. It was pretty exciting. I can't wait to see what it sounds like and looks like on my friend's car. And so stay warm. Hopefully the snow won't fully arrive yet for another couple of weeks and we can get this video made. And a big thank you to the 2 mics at Soul Performance Parts in Pennsylvania for helping us out and agreeing to make this video with us. So thanks guys, catch you soon, bye.